Hello, my sewing friends. Here are my January makes. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room, and I thought I would show you everything I made in January. I've talked about most of these things, so it won't be anything new, but I just thought I'd kind of give you the roundup of what happened in January in terms of my sewing.
First up is this little jumper. It's a Learn to Sew pattern, McCall 7831, that I made from some home deck fabric that I got at Hobby Lobby. I had a few issues with the way that they did this pattern, but I still think it's a great Learn to Sew pattern, especially for beginners who are learning to sew in straight lines. It's got pocket variations, and it's loose fitting, and it goes together quickly, and I was afraid it might be a little young for me, but you know, turned out great, and now it's something I wear all the time. Then I made Simplicity 9107. I had made this for my daughter out of an old bamboo sheet, and I had just enough scraps left to make one for myself. I love this pattern. It goes together quickly. It's simple to do. The curved hem was a little bit tricky, but it was easy to figure out. And that bamboo is so flowy, so floaty, and I just love it. I love the pleats in the back with that curved yoke. It's just a beautiful top to wear. Throw it on with a pair of jeans or tuck it into a skirt. It's a really versatile piece and so comfy. I absolutely love that fabric. And I was a little late for Christmas, but this is my Christmas dress that I made from Butterick 6411, a Lizette pattern. This has a crossover bodice, and I made it into a maxi. I did this from a jersey knit that I found at fabric.com and then got through Amazon. This is great because it has no closures. You just pull it right over your head and done. It's easy to wear. It's very comfortable. That crossover bodice gave me a little bit of trouble, but in the end, it just turned out great. Once I got it figured out, it was simple to put together, and it's an easy pattern, and it ends up looking fantastic. And what do you do when you don't have anything festive to wear? When you want to go Christmas shopping, you whip out Simplicity 9510 from 1996, which is a 1-hour top, just a cute little t-shirt that I made from the scraps of my Christmas dress. Worked out great. This is a great little t-shirt pattern, fits wonderfully, and it was perfect for what I needed for it to be. And then my favorite outfit from January was Simplicity 9180, a full skirt with great big old pockets made from a polyester woven suiting I had from Joann's. The top is 9032 Simplicity, vintage 1996, which is a woven t-shirt made from some quilting cotton that I had in my stash. I cropped the top and put ties on the side just to pull it in and give it some definition, since I think the skirt needs that. But the skirt is also great with a t-shirt knotted to the side or tucked in, maybe a turtleneck and a little jacket and maybe some boots. This skirt is just a great wardrobe piece because it's so casual and yet so versatile. I love this outfit.
So those are the things I made in January. If you have any more thoughts on any of those, let me know. Let's talk about that in comments. And that's it for now for me. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.